Best chest workout. Hey there, fitness warriors. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an explosive chest workout that will take your upper body training to new heights. Get ready to unleash your chest power with the best exercises and techniques that will sculpt and strengthen your chest muscles. Are you excited? Let's jump right into it. Are you tired of having a weak or underdeveloped chest? Don't worry, because today we have the ultimate solution for you. Our chest workout routine is designed to target every angle of your chest, from the upper to the lower and everything in between. We'll guide you through a series of exercises that will challenge your muscles and ignite growth, leading to a chest that demands attention. Before chest workout warm-up routine. Before beginning any workout, it's crucial to warm up properly to prepare your muscles and reduce the risk of injury. A chest warm-up routine may include exercises like arm circles, shoulder rotations, and light cardio exercises such as jumping jacks or jogging. Spend 5 to 10 minutes on warming up before moving on to the main workout. Compound exercises for the chest. Compound exercises engage multiple muscle groups, including the chest, and are excellent for building overall strength and muscle mass. Here are 3 effective compound exercises for the chest. Barbell bench press. The barbell bench press is a classic exercise that targets the entire chest, along with the triceps and shoulders. Lie on a flat bench. Grip the bar slightly wider than shoulder width apart, lower it to your chest, and then press it back up. Aim for proper form and gradually increase the weight as you progress. Dumbbell flies. Dumbbell flies primarily target the outer and upper regions of the chest, providing a good stretch and contraction. Lie on a flat bench with a dumbbell in each hand, palms facing each other. Lower the dumbbells out to the sides in a wide arc until you feel a stretch in your chest, then bring them back up, squeezing your chest muscles. Push-ups. Push-ups are a versatile exercise that engages the chest, shoulders, triceps, and core muscles. Start in a high plank position with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Lower your chest toward the ground, keeping your body in a straight line, and then push back up. Modify the intensity by performing push-ups on your knees or elevating your feet. Isolation exercises for the chest. Isolation exercises target specific areas of the chest and help to develop symmetry and definition. Here are 3 effective isolation exercises for the chest. Cable crossovers. Cable crossovers focus on the outer chest and provide a great contraction. Stand in the middle of a cable machine, holding the handles with an overhand grip. Step forward slightly, keeping your feet stable, and pull your hands together in front of your chest, squeezing your pecs. Return to the starting position and repeat. Chest dips. Chest dips primarily target the lower chest muscles. Find parallel bars or use a dip machine, gripping the handles firmly. Lower your body by bending your elbows, leaning forward slightly, until your shoulders are below your elbows. Push back up to the starting position, focusing on the contraction in your chest. Incline dumbbell press. Incline dumbbell press targets the upper chest. Set an adjustable bench at a 30 to 45 degree incline. Lie on the bench, holding dumbbells above your chest with palms facing forward. Lower the dumbbells to the sides of your chest, then push them back up, focusing on the contraction in your upper chest. And that's a wrap on our epic chest workout. By incorporating these exercises into your routine and progressively challenging yourself, you'll witness incredible chest gains. Remember, consistency and proper form are key to achieving the chest of your dreams. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting workout routines and fitness tips. Now go out there, unleash your chest power, and dominate your fitness journey. Get ready to transform your chest and boost your overall upper body strength with the best chest workout routine. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future fitness content. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll dive into advanced chest training techniques to take your chest gains to the next level. Until then, keep pushing yourself, stay dedicated, and make every representative count.